Let's learn how to write a summary for a paragraph. I will show you step by step. Step 1. Read the entire paragraph carefully. Underline the topic sentence and the three main point sentences. Do you remember that there is one topic sentence in an academic paragraph, right? There are supporting sentences and there is a concluding sentence, right? And in the supporting sentence section, there are main points, right? There are main points. So here you found the three main point sentences. Or in some paragraphs, there are four main point sentences. In some paragraphs, there are probably more main point sentences. But here, we have three main point sentences in our example. This is the example. This is a paragraph. And we need to write a summary for this paragraph. Let's do the first step. Find the topic sentence, underline the topic sentence, and the three main point sentence. Let's read this paragraph together. Take a break. In today's busy world, it is easy to forget about the importance of taking time off. Whether it lasts for a couple hours or a few days, leisure time has specific benefits. First of all, relaxation reduces stress that can lead to serious health problems. For example, some people spend a restful day watching movies or reading. Others play sports. Whatever the activity, they begin to feel physically and emotionally stronger. The next benefit is creativity. Individuals with hobbies such as photography, travel, and music develop new talents and get ideas that they can use at school or in the office. Finally, interest outside of work can lead to a positive attitude. For instance, when volunteers help children learn to read, they feel wonderful about what they have achieved. Then they feel like working harder when they return to their regular responsibilities. All in all, leisure time helps people stay healthy and has the additional benefit of allowing them to work more industriously and productively. In this paragraph, let's find the topic sentence first. Which one is the topic sentence? The second sentence, right? Whether it lasts for a couple of hours or few days, leisure time has specific benefits. This is the topic sentence. Leisure time has specific benefits. This is the main idea of the whole paragraph. So let's underline this topic sentence. And then let's find the three main point sentences in supporting sentences. So the first main point sentence is sentence 3, right? First of all, relaxation reduces stress that can lead to serious health problems. And the second main point is sentence 7. The next benefit is creativity. And the third main point sentence is sentence 9. Finally, interests outside work can lead to a positive attitude. Now, we finished the step 1. We found the topic sentence. We found the three main point sentences. Then let's put them together. So We found the main point sentence is sentence 2, and then we found we found the topic sentence, which is sentence 2, and then we found the 3 main point sentence, which are sentence 3, 7, and 9. Okay. Step 2. Reread each main point sentence and circle or underline the key words that express the key meaning for each main point. Okay, here are the 3 main point sentences. Sentence 3, sentence 7, sentence 9. So now we need to find the key meaning, or the key words for each main point sentence. For the first main point sentence, first of all, relaxation reduces stress that can lead to serious health problems. What is the key meaning? What are the key words to express the key meaning? So the key meaning is about benefit, right? We need to find the benefit. What are the keywords, or what is the keyword to express the benefit? It is relaxation, reduces stress. For the second main point sentence, the next benefit is creativity. What is the keyword to express the key meaning? Creativity, right? For the third main point sentence, finally, interest outside of work can lead to a positive attitude. What is the benefit? What is the key meaning? What are the keywords? A positive attitude, right? So we underline those keywords for each main point sentence. Relaxation reduces stress, creativity, a positive attitude. Those are the keywords to express the key meaning for each main point sentence. Okay, we finished step 2, then let's do step 3. Paraphrase the keywords. Paraphrase means rewrite them using different words. That is paraphrase. So how to paraphrase? One way to paraphrase is to use synonyms or antonyms. So synonyms is about similar meanings, right? Antonyms are the words with opposite meanings, right? So let's see this example. The class was interesting. It can be paraphrased as the lesson was engaging. The class becomes the lesson. Interesting becomes engaging here. So we can see that synonyms are used here, right? Another way to paraphrase is to change the word form. The word form here is the part of speech. Part of speech consists of noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, adverbs, etc. We can use different grammatical forms of the same root word. For example, he made a decision. It can be paraphrased as he decided. Decision, decided. share the same root word, right? So we can make a decision into decided. We change the parts of speech. The third way to paraphrase is to change the voice. You can change the active voice to passive voice, or you can change the passive voice to active voice. Switch the sentence structure. When you change, remember you need to switch the sentence structure. For example, students completed the project. You can paraphrase this sentence as the project was completed by students. So the original sentence is a active voice, and we can change it into a passive voice. And when we change it, we need to remember to switch the sentence structure. Another way to paraphrase is use different connectors or transition signals. For example, he studied hard, so he passed the exam. So we can paraphrase this sentence as he passed the exam because he studied hard. So we change the position or the order of two clauses, and we use different linking words to rearrange the whole sentence. Another method to paraphrase is to change the order of ideas. You can rearrange the order of the clauses or the phrases. Pollution affects human health and the environment. And you can paraphrase it as the environment and the human health are both affected by pollution. And in this sentence, in this situation, you can see that the author changed the sentence from the active voice to passive voice and also rearranged the order of the phrases, right, or clauses. Another way to paraphrase is to use generalization or specification. Make the idea broader or more specific while keeping the same meaning. For example, bananas, apples, and oranges are healthy. You can paraphrase this sentence as fruits are healthy. So here we make the idea broader, right? We kind of like generalize all the fruits and use the fruits to replace bananas, apples, and oranges. Now let's paraphrase those keywords. Relaxation reduces stress. Think about how will you paraphrase those three keywords? Creativity. How will you paraphrase creativity? A positive attitude. How will you paraphrase a positive attitude? This is what I did. I paraphrased relaxation reduces stress as lower stress. Lower here is a verb. I paraphrased creativity as creative ideas and actions. I paraphrased a positive attitude as think positively. A positive attitude, this is a noun. Then I paraphrased this noun as a verb phrase, right? Think positively. Think is a verb, positively is adverb. It's a verb phrase. Now let's do the step 4. Combine the topic sentence information and the 3 paraphrased main points to write a short summary of 2 to 3 sentences. So now we have our topic sentence. Then we have our 3 paraphrased main point sentence keywords. So now let's summarize this topic sentence plus those paraphrased keywords. Make them into 2 or 3 sentences. For the topic sentence, of course, you also need to paraphrase it, right? So this is what I did. For the topic sentence, I paraphrase it as taking a break to have some leisure time has valuable benefits. This is the same meaning as whether it lasts for a couple hours or few days, leisure time has specific benefits, right? The key meaning is specific benefits. And then for the second sentence, I just list all the paraphrased keywords for the 3 main point sentences. It can lower stress by providing relaxation, promote more creative ideas and actions, and help people think more positively. So this is my summary for that paragraph. I do it step by step. So paraphrase is the key. Paraphrase means you write it in different words, but to express the same meaning. Okay, now it's your turn.